Are you ready to master your finances and escape the debt trap? Ever stop to imagine how some people effortlessly manage their finances, steering clear of debt while achieving their dreams? Are you curious about the secrets behind responsible borrowing and financial freedom? Imagine a life where your income aligns harmoniously with your expenses, and debt becomes a distant memory. What if you could unlock the mystery of borrowing wisely, using credit judiciously, and building a secure financial future? Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey towards financial empowerment and escape the clutches of debt traps? In this exploration, we delve deep into the art and science of responsible borrowing, unveiling the strategies that can revolutionize your financial landscape. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of budgeting, demystify the terms and conditions of loans, and navigate the intricate world of credit cards. Discover the power of creating an emergency fund and the invaluable guidance that professional financial counseling can offer. Are you prepared to take charge of your financial destiny and break free from the chains of debt? The answers await. Let's embark on this compelling journey together. Creating a budget, a foundation for financial stability. One of the fundamental principles of responsible borrowing is understanding your financial landscape. Creating a budget provides a clear roadmap of your income, expenses, and savings goals, serving as the cornerstone of your financial stability. By meticulously tracking your finances, you gain control over your spending, ensuring that your income aligns with your expenses and financial objectives. To initiate the budgeting process, begin by listing all your income sources. This may include your salary, freelance gigs, rental income, or any other sources of revenue. Having a comprehensive overview of your income allows you to gauge your financial capacity accurately. Once you have a clear understanding of your earnings, it's essential to identify and categorize your expenses. Categorizing expenses, a pragmatic approach. Expenses can be broadly categorized into fixed and variable categories. Fixed expenses encompass essential costs that remain constant each month, such as rent or mortgage payments, utility bills, and insurance premiums. These are non-negotiable and form the bedrock of your budget. Variable expenses, on the other hand, fluctuate based on your lifestyle choices and can include groceries, dining out, entertainment, and shopping. By classifying your expenses, you gain insights into your spending patterns, enabling you to make informed decisions. With a comprehensive list of your income and categorized expenses, it becomes easier to analyze your financial health. Ideally, your total income should surpass your total expenses, leaving room for savings and unexpected expenditures. If your expenses outweigh your income, it's essential to reevaluate your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. The importance of emergency funds, a safety net for unforeseen events. Once you have established a balanced budget, the next crucial step in responsible borrowing is creating an emergency fund. An emergency fund acts as a safety net, shielding you from the financial repercussions of unexpected events such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or sudden unemployment. Building an emergency fund is not just a prudent financial strategy, it's a means of safeguarding your financial well-being. Financial advisors often recommend setting aside at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. This cushion provides you with the financial resilience to weather unexpected storms, without resorting to borrowing money, thus preventing debt traps. Start by allocating a portion of your income towards this fund each month. Over time, this disciplined approach will result in a substantial emergency fund that offers peace of mind and financial security. In addition to protecting you from unforeseen circumstances, an emergency fund also eliminates the need for high-interest loans or credit card debt during emergencies. This financial buffer empowers you to handle crises without jeopardizing your long-term financial goals or accumulating debt. By diligently contributing to your emergency fund, you are not only mitigating potential risks but also strengthening your overall financial position. Creating a budget and establishing an emergency fund are pivotal steps toward responsible borrowing. They empower you with financial knowledge, discipline, and security, laying the groundwork for a stable and debt-free future. With these foundations in place, you can confidently navigate your financial journey, making informed decisions and steering clear of debt traps. Borrowing wisely, making informed decisions. Once you have a solid understanding of your financial situation through budgeting and have established an emergency fund, it's essential to exercise caution and prudence when considering borrowing money. Borrowing wisely means conducting thorough research, understanding the terms and conditions of loans, and making informed decisions tailored to your financial capabilities. Start by researching the various borrowing options available to you. There are numerous types of loans, such as personal loans, student loans, and mortgages, each designed for specific purposes. Compare interest rates, repayment terms, and associated fees from different lenders. Online tools and financial calculators can assist you in evaluating the total cost of borrowing, helping you choose the most cost-effective option. It's crucial to opt for reputable lenders with transparent policies. Conduct background checks, read customer reviews, and ensure the lender is registered and regulated. Unscrupulous lenders often prey on individuals in vulnerable financial situations, trapping them in high-interest loans with unfavorable terms. By choosing a trustworthy lender, you mitigate the risk of falling victim to predatory lending practices, safeguarding your financial well-being. Understanding terms and conditions, empowering borrowers. Before signing any loan or credit agreement, it is imperative to carefully read and understand the terms and conditions outlined in the contract. The fine print contains essential information about interest rates, repayment schedules, penalties for late payments, and other crucial details. If something is unclear, do not hesitate to ask questions and seek clarification from the lender. Understanding the terms and conditions empowers you as a borrower. It enables you to anticipate your financial obligations and plan your repayment strategy effectively. Awareness of the consequences of missed payments or defaulting on a loan allows you to make contingency plans, ensuring you can fulfill your obligations even in challenging circumstances. Additionally, understanding the terms and conditions helps you avoid unnecessary fees and penalties. Late payments and exceeding credit limits often incur extra charges, amplifying your debt burden. By adhering to the agreed-upon terms, you prevent the escalation of your debt, maintaining control over your financial situation. Responsible credit card usage. Balancing convenience and caution. Credit cards offer convenience and flexibility, but can quickly lead to debt traps if not used responsibly. When using credit cards, it's crucial to exercise self-discipline and restraint. Paying the full balance each month is the ideal approach, as it prevents accruing interest and ensures you live within your means. However, if you cannot pay the full balance, aim to pay more than the minimum payment required. Credit card companies often charge high interest rates on the remaining balance, leading to a cycle of debt if not addressed promptly. By paying more than the minimum, you reduce the overall debt faster, saving money on interest payments and preventing the debt from spiraling out of control. Responsible credit card usage also involves monitoring your spending habits. Avoid impulsive purchases and unnecessary expenses. Regularly reviewing your credit card statements helps you track your spending, identify any discrepancies, and stay within your budget. By maintaining a vigilant approach, you can enjoy the benefits of credit cards without succumbing to the pitfalls of excessive debt. Seeking financial counseling, expert guidance for financial health. In some situations, managing debt and financial challenges might require professional assistance. Financial counseling agencies provide expert guidance to individuals facing debt-related issues. These professionals assess your financial situation, negotiate with creditors on your behalf, and help you create a realistic debt repayment plan. Financial counselors also offer valuable advice on budgeting, saving, and managing credit effectively. They can provide personalized strategies tailored to your unique circumstances, empowering you to regain control over your finances. Seeking financial counseling demonstrates a proactive approach to managing your debt and can be instrumental in helping you achieve long-term financial stability. In summary, borrowing wisely involves conducting thorough research, understanding loan terms, using credit cards responsibly, and seeking professional guidance when necessary. By arming yourself with knowledge, exercising caution, and making informed decisions, you can navigate the borrowing landscape with confidence, avoiding debt traps and securing your financial future. Limit credit card usage, a balancing act. Credit cards, while convenient, can pose a significant risk if not used judiciously. Responsible credit card usage requires striking a delicate balance between convenience and financial prudence. One of the key strategies to avoid debt traps is to limit your credit card usage and manage your credit effectively. Start by setting a realistic credit limit that aligns with your financial capacity. Avoid applying for multiple credit cards, as each new card increases your potential debt burden. When using credit cards, focus on needs rather than wants. Use your card for essential expenses and emergencies, not for impulse purchases or extravagant indulgences. By distinguishing between necessities and luxuries, you prevent unnecessary debt from piling up. Paying the full balance on your credit card each month should be a non-negotiable practice. By doing so, you avoid accumulating interest charges, ensuring that your credit card remains a tool for convenience rather than a source of debt. If you find it challenging to pay the full balance, at least pay more than the minimum payment required. Making only the minimum payment prolongs the debt repayment period, leading to higher overall interest payments. Regularly reviewing your credit card statements is essential. Check for any unauthorized transactions or errors and report them immediately to your credit card issuer. Monitoring your spending patterns helps you identify areas where you can cut back and exercise more financial discipline. Utilize available online tools and mobile apps provided by credit card companies to track your expenses and set spending limits. These resources can serve as valuable allies in your quest for responsible credit card usage. Seek financial counseling, a lifeline in times of financial crisis. If you find yourself drowning in debt or facing overwhelming financial challenges, seeking professional financial counseling can be a lifeline. Financial counseling agencies offer expert guidance and support to individuals struggling with debt management. These professionals assess your financial situation comprehensively, taking into account your income, expenses, debts, and financial goals. One of the primary benefits of financial counseling is the negotiation with creditors. Financial counselors can work with your creditors to establish realistic repayment plans, lower interest rates, and waive certain fees. This negotiation process can significantly alleviate your debt burden, making it more manageable and affordable. Moreover, financial counselors can provide education and tools to help you develop strong financial habits, ensuring that you can maintain a stable financial future once your debts are under control. Beyond debt negotiation, financial counselors offer personalized advice on budgeting, saving, and investing. They can help you create a realistic budget tailored to your income and expenses, allowing you to live within your means and avoid future debt traps. Additionally, they can guide you on building an emergency fund, planning for major expenses, and investing for long-term financial goals like retirement or education. In conclusion, responsible borrowing and debt management involve a combination of careful planning, financial discipline, and seeking assistance when needed. By creating a budget, establishing an emergency fund, understanding loan terms, using credit cards wisely, and seeking professional financial counseling, you can navigate the complex financial landscape successfully. Armed with knowledge and supported by prudent financial decisions, You can achieve financial stability and safeguard your future from the pitfalls of debt traps. Embrace financial freedom. Your journey begins now. As we conclude this exploration of responsible borrowing and escaping debt traps, remember that your financial future lies within your hands. Armed with knowledge, discipline, and a proactive mindset, you are equipped to make informed decisions, avoid pitfalls, and craft a secure financial future. Now that you understand the importance of creating a budget, building an emergency fund, borrowing wisely, using credit cards responsibly, and seeking professional guidance when needed, you have the tools to navigate the complexities of the financial world. Your newfound wisdom empowers you to resist the allure of impulsive spending, by prudent borrowing choices, and secure your hard-earned money against the threat of debt. Take a moment to reflect on your financial goals. Whether you dream of homeownership, pursuing higher education, or enjoying a worry-free retirement, responsible financial practices are the stepping stones toward these aspirations. By implementing the strategies discussed, you are not merely managing money. You are shaping a future of financial freedom, stability, and abundance. So, step forward with confidence, armed with the insights gained here. Your path to financial freedom starts now. Embrace it, nurture it, and watch as your efforts transform your financial life. The power to escape debt traps and build a prosperous future is in your hands. Seize it, and let your journey to financial freedom begin.